Hi Fergus and Florissant. My name is Allison Harris and I am your measurement and assessment coach. Today we're going to take a look at some resources for writing standards-based IEPs. So the first item that you'll see on this list is the standards-based IEP template. This outlines the required components of the IEP and provides some helpful sentence stems. It also gives reminders for compliance. Right below that template is an example of a present level. While this is not intended to be a perfect example, it will hopefully guide you in your understanding of standards-based IEPs. So just really quick, I'm going to click on each of those links just to give you an idea of what it looks like. So here's the template that has been created for you. Take a look at that. It provides some nice sentence stems. And then below that is just an example of a present level written using that template. So you can see here the text in red is the example present level. So I'd encourage you to look more closely at those later. The next section on this resource is about SSD's standards-based IEP website. This website has tons of resources for case managers, related service providers, families, administrators, and gen ed teachers as well. So there is a lot to explore, but I'd suggest starting with the case manager resources. And there are a lot of documents to help you develop your IEPs. And below the documents, you'll also find a lot of helpful Goalbook tutorial videos, which I've also linked in this document. So just to show you what this site looks like, here's the case manager resources. And see there's a lot of folders, and within each folder there's a lot to explore, and then there's Goalbook videos as well. The final section of this document is related to Goalbook resources. So many teachers are familiar with the Goal Wizard, but Goalbook has actually released some really cool other features, including the present level wizard and the strategy wizard. So here are some helpful tips for how to log in. And then down below, there are 4 videos walking through some of the most useful features. So last year, Amber created a video on the anchor pages, as well as the present level wizard. I do want to note that in the video, this wizard was still in beta, and it wasn't available for all areas, but they have since updated it, and you can use the present level wizard in almost all of the areas. There's also a new video I've created for using the Goal Wizard and also the Strategy Wizard. Thanks for watching and happy IEP writing.